Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your password in VistaCreate. Resetting your password in VistaCreate is a simple process. Here's how you can do it. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Simply type create.vista.com. Here, click on login link which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, click on login button again. A new window will appear. Now, click on Forget Password link here. After that, type in the email address of this field and click on Reset Password button. You will get an email on your account. Open the link provided in your email. It will look like this. Now, type in a new password on this field and confirm the new password by typing it again on here. After typing in a new password, click on Save Password button. So that is how you can reset your password in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.